Skating is a lot of my life. Between roller derby and skating at the skate park, I am skating 5 times a week. I broke my arm. I would recommend Rothman to anyone who wants more personalized treatment. When they gave me the okay to start skating again, it was like the happiest day of my whole year.
I am a special education teacher. I saw a pretty large lump on my hip. They found a 11-centimeter tumor. I had a 15-hour reconstructive surgery. I am gaining my ability to walk again.
I'm a corporate chef. My condition at the time when I checked in Rothman was spinal stenosis. For Rothman to give me back my life, it was a dream come true.
Baseball has been gripping me for as long as I can remember. I had arthritic degeneration of my left shoulder. Within 4 months of the surgery, I was doing something that I hadn't been able to do for many, many years, and that was to throw overhand.
Rothman specializes in hand and wrist,
Shoulder,
Orthopedic oncology,
The spines, so I can specialize in my culinary career.
baseball.
roller derby.
so that I can walk again.